भाई गुड आफ्टरनून। आज छुट्टी मिली है तो फिर अपने भाइयों के साथ जा रहे हैं। जैसे 2 बजने वाला है तो हमने कुछ कुकिंग किया है और ये चश्मा पहनने के बाद बाकी बात होगी। कुकिंग करने के बाद हम थोड़ा सा चावल भी ले लेंगे बाहर से। सो वी आर गोइंग टू दैट्स एक्चुअल प्लेस इन कारमाटांग, नथिंग मोर एक्सप्लोरेटिव इन मायाबंदर। सो बेटर यू कैन गो टू कारमाटांग। तो चलो घर से अब निकले हैं, ये वही पुराना क्वार्टर वाली एरिया मुरुगन टेम्पल कॉलोनी। तो निकलते हैं कारमाटांग और चलते आगे। तो भाई अब हम पहुंच गए दानापुर एक्चुअली इज अ वेरी लैंडमार्क प्लेस इन मायाबंदर एरिया। So most of the business shops are situated here in Danapur, and this is the Danapur junction from where you will take a left turn to and then this will be this Rampur area and then Karmatang. Rakesh behind us, actually Mr. Rakesh is sitting, so he is the person who has made all the arrangement for today's preparation of prawn curry, fish curry and also rice, and there are so many other stuff also which are not to be disclosed, so smart people will understand what are those stuff means. And so चलो हम लोग देखो, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि Andaman is really beautiful in monsoon, during monsoon season, and you could see this beautiful lush green this area is, and today is really very much cloudy and it is about to rain probably, and what my plan is to get wet in Coast Guard. This Mayabandar base is situated in Rampur, so I will gladly to just focus on the Rampur Indian Coast Guard base. आप देख सकते हो Indian Coast Guard Station Mayabandar, so which is a really a very much landmark area in Mayabandar area. We have a very beautiful and strong, robust, I would say, Indian defense base in the form of Indian Coast Guard. तो हम चल रहे हैं। थोड़ी देर बाद आपको another landmark place in entire northern Andaman, we will be crossing only degree college in northern Andaman, which is Mahatma Gandhi Government College. तो अभी आपको देखने मिलेगी। और देखिए कुत्ते जो है ना भौंक रहे हैं, देखिए कुत्ते भौंक रहे हैं, हॉर्न मारने के बाद भी नहीं जाते, सो दे आर इन द मूड टू फाइट। तो हम पहुंच गए ये कारमाटांग कॉलेज। एक्चुअली ये कारमाटांग भी नहीं है, रामपुर की एंड है। तो I'll tell you, my friend, this Karmatang College specialty is that it is situated in a very beautiful and exotic location, and behind the college is beautiful open sea, and that's a nice place, a very convenient ambience for study. So authority have decided and choose the perfect place for college. अब बच्चे पढ़ते कि नहीं वो तो भाई नहीं पता, बट होपफुली डेफिनेटली पढ़ते होंगे और यहाँ से एक आध बिल्कुल बहुत बढ़िया पोजीशन लेके हमारी अंडमान की नाम रोशन करे। सो दैट्स व्हाट वी विश। तो अब जो है वी हैव बीन एम्ब्रेस्ड बाय दिस लवली एंड कस्टमरी एंड यूज्ड टू रोड इन अंडमान, which is in the form of big pothole, bumpy, undulated. So we are always used to of this kind of bumpy, undulated and then big pothole road, and in my opinion which is never going to be changed in future. तो चलो अब करमाटांग में ही मिलते हैं दोस्तों। तो चलो finally we have reached this landmark place Karmatang. So what is this beach is as usual managed by Andaman Nicobar Department of Forest. So before you could enter into this Karmatang beach, and you have to mandatorily register your name, you have to enter your name, detail, age, sex, and all. Sex means your gender. Okay. So you have to enter your all. In order to this Department of Forest, they ensure your safety. That's the purpose of entering or registering your name. So please cooperate with forest official. So friends, we are now on this beach, and you could see Department of Forest has constructed very new hut, and rather time and again they are renovating and upgrading their hut, and they are replacing the old hut also. And I'll tell Gradwin to just focus on that newly constructed hut, where we had we had also organized on program by Tehsil Department of Mayabandar. So there is a get together. Anyone who wish to have a party and on this beach, they can definitely come and approach to Department of Forest, and they can hire this entire hut for their enjoyment. And what is breathtaking about this place is that see, this is lowest of the low tide. However, because of this absolutely cloudy and then overcast, the climate is really awesome here, and the beach looks quite, the sea is quite calm. There is not much of wave, but definitely this is quite enjoying in terms, because you don't have that much of wind here, and we are planning to stay here till sunset. So let's see how long we can be here, and definitely we'll have a very long walk. We'll walk throughout the beach, and we'll make the maximum possible and the best time here. Yeah, now I am showing all around this beach area, and this is really in fact this area is their office come restroom. So you can definitely, if you want, you can change your clothes and then enjoy and hike on the beach. There are so many plenty of huts here. So these huts are for leisure and then for to relax, and you can eat your food. You can enjoy, friends. So it's evening now. So I'm walking on this beach, this beautiful beach, and this beach is really quite long beach. This length could be near about from that far end to the behind. It could be near about more than 2 kilometers. So I have a self challenge. So I'll walk the entire beach at stretching more than 2 kilometers. So now the high tide is just started, so I'll walk on this beach, and by doing so I'll have this my evening walk. And it's always a fabulous when you come here on this Karmatang beach. And only one thing is because of this what happened, there was some kind of mosquito, a kind of mosquito which flourish during low visibility. That means when there is no sunlight. So that time they come a lot in a group. So that is a little bit of annoying for the visitors. So otherwise it's always fabulous here on this beach. This is the end of one portion, one corner of Karmatang beach. Hi friends, this is 5 p.m. in the evening, and still quite enough sunlight to show you exactly how the topography of this beach from another end. So you could see this is really fantastic how the fishing vessel, the local fishermen, they have gone for fishing, and now they are coming back, and they will enter from this creek, and then finally they will reach to their Karmatang 9 village. So this area is predominantly a fishing village area, and also this beach also provides a lot of opportunity for the tourist. So actually